You're working like a champ, Corey.
Are you all set, Corey?
All set?
Yeah, your scene's on next.
Me next!
Corey, take a deep breath. Deeper.
No. Like this, man.
Right now we're rehearsing scenes that we're going to be performing for the Lodge in Vulcan and the extended pair. The aim of the play is Crumpled Classics, and we've been working on it since pretty much the beginning of the year. We started with practices once a week and then twice a week and now 3 times a week. We're performing in April the 6th to the 8th, and we have matinee performances and a dinner theater and a dessert theater. We have posters all around. Well, we will be hanging posters all around the town. You can ask the office, you can call into the school to get tickets set up for you. So you just have to call the school or the office, and then the numbers will be on the posters. I think everybody should come to see what the arts really does for young people and how it gets people who are kind of shy, how it gets them out there. We're all being creative, we're all doing what we love, so it's a really fun thing to see, really cool.